So in today's video I have the Ipsy and boxy charm unboxing. I'm gonna pull it out. There is a brush in it. Put that right there on the floor. The brush, this is the brush that it came. It's a nice little brush. It's really soft. Let's try it. I have no makeup on right now because I don't know what's going to come in these bags, and sometimes I put on foundation and then concealer and then I get a concealer. So look how cute this bag is. So it has Ipsy on it. This is a really cute bag. So first I have pure oh, it's a mask. I think I need to refine my thing or just do more masks. So Bio-Erase Tone Brightening Pore Tightening Coral Clay Mask. I'm gonna open it. That means I'm gonna have to use it soon, but ooh. That has a weird smell. It has a weird smell. I don't know, we'll try it. I need to start doing more mask videos. Those will be coming. It's just a matter of time to actually sit down and put a mask on your face. You hear me? You hear me? And then we have a Once Finishing Cream SPF 30. This like a sunscreen. It's just like a facial sunscreen. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It has SPF 30. Smells just like sunscreen, so I'm not actually mad about that. That's actually pretty good, I guess. I'm gonna look it up and I'll link it down below to give you some more information on it because I'm not really sure how to use it. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Interesting. Let's open this. So far we don't really have, we can probably put the sunscreen on, maybe try that as like a primer, see how good it does underneath foundation. This is in the shade 17, I guess. It's a nice shade. I just don't know how into mattes I am, but we'll see. We'll try it today. And then lastly is Stephen Laurent Blush. I'm blushing. The name of it is, that's the name of the blush, is I'm blushing. It's interesting packaging. Kind of hard to open. Oh, it's pretty. Let's see if I have a clean finger. I do. It's like a terracotta shade. It's very wearable. So I'm actually excited about that. So far we have a lip, the SPF, and a mask, which I'm gonna put in my mask bucket, and a super cute bag. I mean, sometimes a bag alone is just like top notch. I like. Interesting. A full-size Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner pour. Oh, we have another mask. So we're gonna have to start doing, this is from Dr. Brandt, so pretty good. We're gonna have to start doing some masks. See, pore purifying mask, and it's kind of clear. Interesting. I'm excited. I'm very excited about that. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid area, leave until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So that's good. That's good. Then the next thing we got in here, so the next thing we have is a liquid lipstick. A weird color. It's from Ipsy, A to Z. I'm not really sure. It's kind of smells good. Smells like a candle. Oh, maybe we'll have to just try them both. I'm not really sure how to say that. So Ipsy. Oh, ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Fun. Ooh, we also have another thing in here. I thought we were done. So Element of Surprise from ColourPop. Very nice. Super excited about using that. That'll be fun to play with. And then I will go with the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. And it's in the shade Stunner. So we have a blush, we have two lip products, a highlighter, and some shadow. Brow Gel Intense Tinted Brow Gel. The only thing about this is I have darker brows and they always send different colors, especially like Boxy Charm doesn't really have much of like a profile you fill out for preferences. It's for light hair, so this is not gonna work for me. Nope. So I want, nope, I don't even know why I put it on. It could work for somebody though. So that is just gonna have to go to someone else. So to recap, we have the liquid lips. We have two liquid lips, NYX and the Addies. I don't really know. I'm not even gonna say it. So I'm not really trying to say this one, so I'm not really gonna say it. So we have the highlighter, the SPF, and the blush. We have the brow product too, and then we also got the brush that came from Ipsy. The brow product I'm not going to use. I will just use a clear brow gel. I'm gonna go ahead and put the SPF on my face, and we'll see, because it's kind of funny because it's a different color, so it just makes me feel like I'm just rubbing a mask into my face. Also, we got two masks. I'm kind of just putting it like on the areas where I would get some extra sun, you know. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation, and I will be right back. Alright, okay, so I did my foundation. I used Rimmel Match Perfection. It's gone, so I'm trying to use it up. I'm going to take my beauty blender that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm going to use that to apply this highlighter because it's a cream. And kind of want it to blend a bit more with my foundation. It is blending fairly well. I am such a big fan of Tarte, so when this was in there, I was like so super excited. Add it to some other things as we go, but I am going to go ahead because I've already used concealer. I've already applied my concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and powder. I used Revlon Photo Ready. It's like super almost gone. Like you can see it's twisted all the way to the top. So I'm just trying to use that up, and so I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild pressed powder. Blush is quite horrendous to open. I'm like trying not to open it or break a nail at the same time. Trying to open it and not break a nail. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild blush brush and Wet n Wild blush brush. If I could talk, that'd be great. I'm just going to kind of, whoa, okay. This is good blush. Oh jeez. I'm gonna go in with my powder brush to kind of help this away. Maybe dip back into my powder. That was, man, I was just like giving that powder, that blush all day, huh? Oh well, we'll try to fix it, make it what it is. Brighter on the camera than it does like here. My mirror that I got right here. So anyhow, let's move on to the eyeshadow. So I am going to apply some of this Milani eye primer. I'm just going to take my face powder and set my eye primer with that so that my shadows don't really stick all over my lid. So I'm going to take the brush that came with the Ipsy bag, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's called Labyrinth. It's like kind of, it's like a darker skin tone, I guess. And I'm kind of just going to place this all over the lid for a base color. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. It's like they're $1 brushes, and I'm gonna take the pink in this palette, and it is called Subdue. That's a funny name for this. Funny to me. Look at the brightness on that brush. So I'm gonna like kind of focus this color here on the outer corner. So this pink shade has a lot of fallout right here. Color shades are normally like one of the harder ones to do. Alright, so I've done that pink. I'm not gonna mess with the pink anymore because it's kind of crazy. So I'm gonna take my concealer and kind of fix under my eyes because pink under my eyes is just not cute, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna take this Wish brush that I have, and I'm gonna take this purple that's in here. It's in the shade Late Night. It's right here. I'm gonna take that and kind of place it in the outer corner. Alright, I'm kind of taking the purple that I started using and blending that into the pink. This kind of is going out a bit out of hand, but I'm really trying to make it work. Alright, I'm thinking I'm not hating it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a e.l.f. contour brush. It's just like a small, like kind of fatter pencil brush, and I'm going to take this shade here. It's called Rayon, and I'm going to place this on the inner corner because I'm just crazy like that. Ooh, this is pretty. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply some liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild This is the Wet n Wild Pro line, and I'll be okay. So I applied my liner, and I put some mascara on. I used the Almay One Coat Extreme Length. I got that from the Big Lots. So I'm gonna kind of swatch 3 of these shades because I really just want to see what they are. Okay, I'm thinking I have to use the purple. I'm thinking that it's gotta be done. So, what brush do we want to use? So I'm gonna take this purple and on the lower lash line before I put any mascara on, and just kind of build that up. Alright, so I applied some mascara to my bottom lashes, and for my last touch that I'm going to do, because I'm just feeling it, this kind of look, actually, I'm kind of feeling happy about it. I'm just going to take the white shade here, and I'm going to dab a tiny bit on the highest point of my brow, just to kind of bring everything together. What has become of this eye look, I'm actually not mad at. I'm actually kind of enjoying it. I could put some false lashes on, but I'm just not feeling it. Like, I just don't want it to hide the what it is. Right, so I'm thinking we have to go in with this brown shade, the liquid lipstick, and let's see what it looks like. I'm taking this e.l.f. highlighter, the illuminating palette, and I just want to add some more illumination to my skin. So this is what we've come up with this ColourPop palette, and we have the Stephen Laurent blush and then the Tarte Pro Glow highlighter. I kind of added 2 highlighters because I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling powerful this morning. So if you guys did enjoy this video and this was fun for you guys to watch, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy experimental videos like this. We just kind of came up with this sunset eye look just like willy-nilly. So I actually really enjoy this. Today, just a fun fact, it snowed like a blizzard this morning, and now the sun's out like a spring day. So we had winter and spring in one day. Kind of want to put a little bit of this pink stuff on and like mix it in. That's better. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Have a good one, guys. Bye.